Now we're going to calculate 4a minus 2. 4a minus 2 is equals to 40. Okay, what is it now? 4 minus a is equals to 40. Now what's happening? Now a mn is equals to am divided by an. So how do we deal with this? Then we say 4a divided by 42 is equals to 40. All right. So what do we say after that? Divided by 1. All right. What's happening here? What's happening here? We say logarithm on both sides. Log. Log 4a log 4a log 4a. Now what is the value of 42 is equals to 16? 16 multiply both sides. Multiply both sides. We're going to say log 4a is equals to 40 multiplied by 16. As we go further, we say a log 4 is equals to 40 16. 40 16. So log mp is equals to p log m. All right. So what do we have? We are having a log 4 is equals to 40 16. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. A log 4 is equals to log 40 times 16. Now log 40 times 16 is the same as divided by log 4 divided by log 4. Now we're having a is equals to log 40 times log 16 all divided by log 4. All right. So what do we say? What do we say? We say a is equals to log 40 divided by log 4 plus log 16 divided by log 4. All right. So what do we say? From here, what do we say? What do we say? We say 16 is the same as 4 squared. And then we say a is equals to log 40 divided by log 4 plus log 4 squared over log 4. And then A is equals to log 40 divided by log 4 plus 2 log 4 divided by log 4. Now log cancel log. We end up with 2. This law says this law is the same as this law. All right, now A is equals to log 40 divided by log 4 plus 2. All right, now 40 is the same as 4 times 10. 40 is the same as times 10. So how do we deal with this? We say A is equals to log 4 times 10 divided by log 4 divided by log 4 by log 4 plus 2. A is equals to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 10 divided by log 4 plus 2. Now A is equals to, this one cancel this one. 1 plus log 10 divided by log 4 plus 2. A is equals to, this plus this is 3. 3 plus log 10 divided by log 4. A is equals to it's a long thing. A is equals to 3 plus 10 is equals to 5 times 2. So we'll say 3 plus log 2 times 5 divided by log 4. A is equals to 3 plus log 2 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So 4 is equals to 2. Now A is equals to 3 plus log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. So what do we say about this? A log A, B is equals to B log A. So A is equals to 3 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. A is equals to 3. Now This cancel this. We are left with half. We are left with half. We are left with plus half plus 1 over 2 log 2 log 5 divided by log 2. So once you are left with this, a is equals to, this one is equals to 7 divided by 2 plus this one. 7 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. As we go further, we say a is equals to 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. So according to a law, we say this is the same as log 5 2. So this plus this, you are saying we have 2, 7 plus log 5 2. So this is our final answer. A is equals to, this is our final answer. So let's prove that. Let's prove this. Let's prove it. Alright, let's prove it. Our first equation says, let's prove it. Prove that 4a minus 2 is equals to 40. Okay, a is equals to 7 plus log 7 plus log 2 5 divided by 2. Whenever you see a, we put this. Now we are having something like 4. We are having 4. 7 plus log 2 5 divided by 2. What is here? We're having minus 2. So we are going to say, is it minus 2? Let's see. Yes, minus 2. Is it minus 2? Let's check from the beginning. Was it minus 2 or minus 3 from the beginning? Yeah, minus 2. So we are having something like that, and minus 2. Yes, it's minus 2 over 1 is equals to 40. It's equals to 40. Now let's prove this. Now 4 this give us 7 plus log 2 5 minus 4 all divided by 2 is equals to 40. Now 4 this minus this is equals to 3. 4 3 plus log 2 5 all divided by 2 40. Now 4 is equals to 2. So we're going to have 4. We're going to have 2 bracket 3 plus log 2 5 all divided by 2 over 1. 2 cancel this is equals to 40 question mark. So we are having 3 plus log 2 5 is equals to 40. So having 3 multiply by 2 log 2 5. So, and then we are having is equals to 40. Now, the law says log AB is equals to B. So this gives us 8 multiplied by our B is equals to 5 is equals to 40. So this gives us 40 is equals to 40. Our final answer is 40. Left right hand side is equals to left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thank you for watching.